Good morning, my first graders. Miss Kyler here with Number Corners. Now, as always, I want you to take a moment and make a prediction for what is going to be on our calendar card for today. Okay, first graders, let's go ahead and see if your prediction was correct. Did you predict that there would be a box? Oh, let's take a closer look at our picture for today, and we see that it's actually a package. So who knows? Maybe this is a gift. Maybe this package is going somewhere special. Who knows during this holiday season? But we see that this package is actually shaped like a cube, like Miss Carter has here. We've been working with three very important vocabulary words: edge, face, and vertex. Let's go ahead and count the edges on our cube here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges on the cube. And let's count our faces. Even though we have them labeled, it's still always good practice. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces on a cube. Now let's quickly go ahead and count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 vertices on a cube. Now let's get ready and say our day. And we know we always start with the day of the week. And today is Friday. So let's go ahead and say our date together. Friday, December 11th, 2020. Let's say that together one more time. Friday, December the 11th, 2020. Now let's go ahead and say our days of the week. And we start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So if today is Friday, let's read it together. I almost skipped that part. Let's read it together. Yesterday what was yesterday? Thursday. Good. So if today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday. You get to relax and enjoy your weekend on Saturdays. So let's keep going. Now we're going to go ahead and say our months of the year. And we always start with the first month of the year and we go all the way to the current month, which is December. So let's go ahead and say our months of the year, and we start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we know that December is the 12th month of the year. Now let's go ahead. Miss Kyler's going to write that date two different ways. And the first is with our numbers. And we know that our December is the 12th month of the year. And today is the 11th. And our year is 2020, but you know it. Yes, you know. Miss Kyler's only going to write the two last digits, that 2 and that 0. And now I'm going to write the abbreviation for December. Bring down my 11, comma, 2020, and this time all 4 digits. Good. So now my favorite, how many days have we been in school? On yesterday, remember, Miss Kyler had to say so many equations with 6. Oh my goodness. Today is a brand new day. And we have now been in school for 67 days. Yes, I'm so glad I don't have to say 66 a billion times again. So let's go ahead and see Miss Kyler write that two-digit number and spell 67. So here is how we write 67, and here is how we spell 67. So first graders, we know that 67 is a two-digit number, and we have the 6 in the tens place and the 7 in the ones place. So Miss Kyler, of course, I got fancy with it. I was loving my equations. I kept going with tens and 1. So I have 6 tens plus 7 equals 67. And then I have my two reds and my two blues, my one green column and my one yellow column, plus my ones. And that makes 67. Good, good. Okay, and then my regular traditional way, 6 groups of 10 makes 60, plus 7 ones equals 67. Now let's go ahead and look at our clock. Okay, first graders, so yesterday we saw the time 8 o'clock. And now we're going to go ahead and collect one more hour. We see that the time is now 9. The hour hand is pointing to the 9, and the minute hand is pointing to the 12. So we see now that it is 9 o'clock, and we know that we are in the PM section of our day. So we can actually say that it is 9 p.m. So let's go ahead and add that to our digital clock. And let's go ahead and add that to our analog clock. Now, first graders, I'm going to go ahead and collect one more hour. Can you believe we collected 21 hours out of our 24 hours? We're almost done collecting one day. So many hours in one day. But it doesn't feel like that sometimes. Sometimes the time just flies by. But we've only collected 21 out of the 24 hours. So now, my first graders, let's go ahead and look at an activity we might do during our day. So let's go ahead and look at our picture for today. We see that the little boy is asleep, and he looks like he's enjoying his sleep, like he's been sleeping for a while now. So if you look very close at the analog clock over here, you can see that the minute hand is pointing to the 12 and the hour hand is pointing to the 3. So we know that this little boy is asleep around 3 o'clock. But the question is this the AM part of our day or the PM part of our day? Now, if you think about what we do during the 3 o'clock p.m. part of our day, we are generally getting out of school. That's the end of our school day. So would we be sleeping in a nice deep sleep at 3 o'clock p.m.? No, that is probably, his clock is probably showing us 3 o'clock a.m. That is the night hours. Remember that we're generally sleeping around hours like 18 all the way up to hours 7 of our day, okay? So he's probably asleep at 3 a.m. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in the a.m. section of our clock of our timeline. So now, first graders, I need for you to go ahead, close this video, click on that button, and start your class kick assignment. And I will see you later. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye bye.